Good morning, guys. Guys, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe because we are on this Disney journey. Today we are hitting up Hollywood Studios, so we're on our way to the Skylift right now. This is our OOTD of the day, Adam's OOTD. Feeling it today in my feet, so we are trekking through and we will see you there.
I will pay attention to
Yeah, you gotta pay for it.
Okay, Adam, where are we and where are we headed?
Hollywood Studios off to ride.
We're rope dropping Rise of the Resistance.
Prep the ready room for regroup.
That's better. Check the binary motivator. Good.
At this time, remove any bags that you have over your shoulders or around your waist. Hold them in your hands.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
Hurry and don't get caught. Supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble. You're not authorized. Wait. Why are you going up?
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. Cannot escape me. Your precious resistance is about to be destroyed.
Your escape pods came in a little off target.
First time ever in Toy Story Land, and by the way, Rise of the Resistance was amazing. Never let down. But we're about to go on Slinky Dog Dash.
Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Yes, I can do that for you, Goofy. Sure.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Okay, yeah, so we're here in Galaxy's Edge, and we're debating on getting park hoppers today and maybe going down to Epcot. We haven't quite decided yet because it is adding on to the expense, but yesterday we pretty much got through all of Magic Kingdom, but we do want to try for Tron again. So we're thinking about getting park hoppers so we can possibly do Tron again, but then leave the park after that. That's really what we're debating here. We're currently gonna go do Millennium Falcon. If you go to Toy Story Mania after this, which yesterday Adam won me in Buzz Lightyear, so this is my time to redeem myself and win in Toy Story Mania.
Offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy.
And
Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left.
Adam's currently on the phone with his mom with our little baby that's on the phone, but we are headed to Tower of Terror right now. I'm honestly still just asleep. We've been kind of like dilly-dallying and not really doing this one.
That's where we're heading right now.
Tower of Terror is one of my favorite rides of all time. I am so tired. My stomach this morning has just been like meh. I ate so much just fast food yesterday that I'm like, I need a salad today. Really how we're doing, but we're like, let's just go do it because it's actually less time than Toy Story Mania. So we're gonna do this one and then see the wait time for Mania afterwards. We're loving it. It's really fun so far.
Okay, we'll do.
A dimension of sight, a dimension of mind, lost over into the twilight zone.
On the Skyliner now. This is my favorite way of transportation. Yeah, look.
Welcome aboard Beach Resort.
I gotta call my mom and show her.
Adam, what are we doing right now?
So we're heading back to the hotel. Jocelyn forgot her water, so we gotta go back and get her water.
We hope you enjoyed your
Then we'll get something to eat, and then we'll get ready to
Now wave goodbye to your adoring fans below. Bye!
Bye! We got park hoppers, so I'm really excited about it. We made it onto the Skyliner once again. We stopped at the resort and picked up some stuff like my water bottle and things like that. Oh, are we going to Hollywood Studios or are we gonna go to Epcot? Because it's currently 12:50. We are back in Hollywood Studios. We're gonna go head up the Lightning McQueen show and probably head back to Epcot because that will be about the time we need to go switch over for park hoppers.
We'll head over because we haven't been there yet.
Yeah, we haven't been to.
I want to go in the shop.
That was some introduction.
Smoke.
There was no smoke.
No smoke.
Thanks, Mater. Hello, everyone. Wow, what a great group of rookie racers.
Oh, Daisy's right here. We officially made it to Epcot and it is beautiful. We're gonna see what the hype is about because a lot of people prefer this park, love this park, and would recommend this park as their favorite parks. We're gonna dive right in and see what Epcot has to bring for us today. Excited?
Joined Guardians of the Galaxy 215-minute wait. So I don't know if we'll get it today, but we did join it.
Adam just got a group, or how did that work?
We're estimated to be called back at 5:41.
Okay.
So we will for sure get on it just at 5:40.
Okay, that sounds good. That's exciting. What ride should, or what area should we go to first? This park is just so different. It's one of those parks where you just don't even know what to expect because it's nothing like any other place you've ever been to before. Where to go?
It's about listening with your imagination. Amazing.
Edge for a little bit, and then we'll come back for our Guardians of the Galaxy queue at around 5. So that's the plan for right now. But our feet are killing us and we are hungry, so we're gonna head down. And we made it to Animal Kingdom. So far the vibes I'm loving more than Epcot, do you agree?
Yes.
Just got our food. We're pretty basic, but we're hungry and we are going to eat and then see what we want to do after that. First ride here in Animal Kingdom is Dinosaur. First time riding Dinosaur and it freaked me out because he thinks it's stupid. It was like, that was really dumb, but not waiting at all for it. I thought it was fun. Kind of like crazy and it was loud too, but it was something, but now we're trying to figure out what to go to next. What should we do next? Next up, we have the safari, which we are feeling pretty beat. We haven't slept in 3 days. Definitely super tired. We might call it an early night tonight and sleep in so we can enjoy the rest of our days here.
Can grow anywhere from 16 to 20 feet tall in their mouth.
We're currently in Epcot now, and it is downpouring. So we're gonna camp out here for a minute.
Teaching me about your world and intricate Terran mind, understanding you, Terran.
Well, okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
I'm so excited.
Supposed to follow me. Noise. No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing. What have we done?
I think we're going back. All the way back.
All the way? To the Big Bang?
95% certain.
Which means there's a 5% chance we're just in a tunnel.
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention? Take your star blasters. We have them contained, but not for long. Our world.
Blocking coordinates for Epcot.
Freeze the race.
You really think they deserve to be called heroes? Do you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
So I literally have no idea where I left off, but basically we ended the night with Test Track and it was a really fun. Epcot is starting to grow on us, but yeah, we're gonna go to bed because we do have another busy day tomorrow and we're gonna take it a lot more slow, relax, kind of veg and take some breaks. But yeah, I thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe and turn on that bell notification so you don't miss out on this wonderful little Disney series. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Have the most wonderful day.